We live at the edge of something we cannot see, something vast and hidden. A clock without hands, silent and undefined. Without numbers, without any clear measure. And yet, at its center, something pulses with quiet intensity. What looks like separate moments to us may be one continuous unfolding. It unfolds layer by layer, beyond what we call a moment. We experience life as moments, each one separate, yet never truly alone. Separate, sequential, as if each moment stands alone. A beginning, a middle, an end, the shape we give to time. A line we call time, because that is how we learn to see it. But that line may not be real, only a projection of how we perceive reality. We move forward because we cannot see the whole structure. What we call now is not truly now. It is only the edge of perception. Light takes time to reach us, and so does everything we see. Every star we see is a memory, a light that has outlived its source. We are always observing what has already happened, light after light, memory after memory. Trapped on the outer edge of perception, forever looking inward from the rim. Limited by the speed of light, every creature, every building, every distant world reaches us late. Reality does not arrive instantly. It arrives layered from other times. But deeper inside, something begins to change and the layers start to blur. The sense of sequence starts to dissolve, and the layers begin to speak at once. Events lose their order, and time stops behaving like a line. Past and future begin to merge, until they feel like one field. The universe reveals itself, not as moments, but as structure, and the brain begins to map it. Everything that exists simply is beyond our ordering. Not becoming, not passing, only being. A timeless architecture where thought and cosmos meet. Time may be a construct of the mind, bending where light cannot escape. A story told by the brain to explain what light cannot say. A story built from electrical signals, arranged by the mind. What looks separate is part of one living structure. Here, even stillness feels like a kind of time. The illusion of stability ends in a split second. For a moment, even broken things remember their shape. The pattern breaks, then finds its way back. The cosmos does not move through time. It contains it. Even stillness can be a movement through time. The body slows, but the current continues. Things fall apart, even in stillness. Consciousness drifts as the horizon widens. as if time does not move forward, but repeats itself in deeper layers. Nested circles, each one turning inside another, as if time itself has split into layers. Nothing moves alone here. Every cycle echoes within the next. And then the pattern breaks. What once repeated now resists itself. The cycle does not end gently. It fractures, and from that fracture, something new begins. And now, the pattern begins to crack. What once felt endless is no longer stable. The motion changes direction, and the system reveals its first break. After the break comes the tremor. What was hidden now surfaces, and what seemed stable begins to wobble. The change is no longer abstract. It has entered the body of the scene.